She don't want to text her. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get strong. She heard everyone that gets involved. No one Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Nice. That looks good. Can I get in?
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can take show you the world. Give you whatever you desire. Give you whatever you desire. The pain she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, but take it this far. She gon' do the race, just not this far. Love is a game, when you I got two X12s.
Okay.
I tune it pretty high. I tune it to 50 hertz. I like to play in the street.
Okay. Fourth order?
Yeah, fourth order, 2-to-1. 2 sundown X12.
Did you build this in the trunk?
Yes, built. No, it's a 2-piece box.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Nice. Do you know the tuning on it? You said it was tuned hot?
50 hertz.
50 hertz, okay. Nice. Did you ever get it metered?
No, I didn't get it metered, man. I was down here with my friends.
Okay. Are you louder sealed or window up?
I can open the door.
Okay.
I'll let you hear it with it all closed up.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we just got of his system. He was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021. This was near Tampa, Florida area for the location. Go ahead, if you haven't already, give him a like if you're enjoying the video, as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Really unique to see him fit a fourth order with 212s inside of a trunk. Pretty impressive. I could definitely tell during the demo the way the pressure was coming out of that port. It was allowing everything to breathe into the cabin. So this is a 4,000 watt RMS amplifier. I didn't really get a lot of specs or information, equipment about everything, but for the little walk around, you can see all the Sound Digital 4-channel amplifiers, the Teraamps equalizer, multiple AGM batteries, a Teraamps 4-channel on the right, and then the 4K, which I didn't find out if it was wired at half ohm or 1 ohm. But you notice the way the box is optimized to fit inside. Looks like it was a 2-piece box, he said it was, so he built it to where you can kind of put 2 pieces together as like a clamshell point to be able to mount them together to make it fit inside of the trunk. It's really the only way to do it without building into the vehicle. So trunk systems are always hard to fit big boxes, and he made it work with 212. So shout out to you, did a good job. We're getting to the base demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral.
Let's see what I can play here.
All right.
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt everyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, but take it this far. She gon' do the race, just not this far. Love is a game, we think you fall. When you're down the top, you on your fall. I'm trying to find something. not played well.
Alright, good.
Let's see like that,
Something new that has pretty loud bass output.
Okay, loud bass output. Okay.
Are you louder sealed or window up?
I can open the door.
Okay.
I'll let you hear it with it all closed up.
Alright. I'm ready.
Signal here.
Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. Dude, it does like the higher note. And when you open the door, it seems loudest with that door open and this one like this. So I appreciate the demo, man. Thanks, you.
bro.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.